In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this video. So first of all, we need to go to Novoads AI, and now here you have to create an account. Now, when you have created an account, you need to click where it says video. Here you need to go to settings. In model, you need to choose Seedance 2. In duration, you have to put 12 seconds, and in aspect ratio, you have to choose 16:9. This is to make the video horizontal. So now paste the prompt that I'm going to put in the comments below. And now we have to click here in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 3 minutes. Perfect. As you can see, the video has been created. So let's see the result. Well, as you can see, the result is amazing. The video is ultra realistic and the animation is very good. So if you like it, you can try Novoads for just $1 and create videos like this one or ads or whatever you want. If you have any doubts, you can comment below in the comment section and see you in the next video.